Okay. So, do you still remember what is the question for English on LMS?
Types of sentence.
What is the question? Do you still remember?
Nope. Forgot.
There
are four types.
there are four types of
Okay.
sentences.
Good. Yeah, there are titik-titik types of sentences. Yeah, so if you already read the notes that I give to you, so the answer will be
Four.
4. Yeah, so I'll make easier for you. So you need to type the number only. Yeah, you don't need to type the written words. Ya, jadi tidak perlu tulis namanya, cuman angkanya saja. That's good. Okay. So anyone of you here have the English book?
I just printed,
Oh,
but
okay.
it's not like a book.
Sasha print it. Okay. Oh, Pipit have it. Galuh, Ajung. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, if you don't have the book, it's okay. Yeah, because the book is limited because the sending of the book ya is still delay. Jadi pengirimannya masih tertunda karena dikirim dari luar Indonesia ya. Jadi mungkin karena corona juga jadi pengirimannya terhambat ya. Jadi it's okay ya. I will also provide the books ya, the page that we will discuss ya for you on the LMS. So don't be worried. Jadi jangan khawatir ya. Nanti bukunya akan Miss Rose tampilkan juga di sana supaya anak-anak mudah. Oke? Okay? So that's it. Yeah, let's check the LMS today. Yeah. Okay. Do you see the share screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So for Rabu, ya, you will have English and then TIK, PKN, and Bahasa Indonesia. Ya, jadi semuanya hari ini nyambung, tidak ada jeda. Ya, jedanya hanya istirahat. After English 15 minutes, and then after PKN 30 minutes. Ya, and then for today there will be no vocation or extracurricular. Ya, jadi hari ini setelah jam 1.15 anak-anak sudah selesai belajar ya. Nanti setelah selesai belajar bisa istirahat sejenak ya, lihat keluar ya, supaya matanya lebih fresh lagi. Karena anak-anak mungkin akan lama menatap layar ya, jadi mungkin akan sedikit lelah matanya. Okay, and then, nah, so let's see the pelajaran. Oh sorry. Okay, nah di sini. Nah, remember ya, kalau untuk tematik itu di sini ada PPKN, Bahasa Indonesia, IPA, IPS, dan SBDP ya. Jadi mereka bagian dari tematik. Nah, jadi anak-anak yang tadi mungkin kebingungan, Miss kok nggak ada bahasa Indonesia? Nah, di tematik tempatnya. Oke. Nah, kemudian untuk English. Okay. So if you already open this, yeah, so you will know the answers, yeah. Because the question on the Google form, ya, there are titik-titik types of sentences. Jadi jawabannya 4 atau 4. Okay, so that's it. And before we start studying, yeah, I would like to give some agreement or rules ya for our class today. Jadi sekarang Miss Rus mau ajak anak-anak ya kita diskusi kira-kira selama pembelajaran itu apa saja yang kita perlukan. Ya, jadi yang pertama, oke. Anak-anak diwajibkan untuk mengaktifkan kamera atau video ya selama pembelajaran berlangsung. Tadi Dayu Anika sempat chat Miss Rus katanya koneksinya unstable ya. Nanti di turn on lagi ya. Nah, untuk Wah Oga, Jadin dan Odi, jika nanti koneksinya sudah tidak unstable lagi, tolong di turn on ya, so I can see your face. Oh, Jadin sudah, oke. Karena kalau turn off video harus ada pemberitahuan ya. Jadi anak-anak bisa info ke Miss Rus dulu sebelumnya, sehingga nanti Miss Rus juga tahu ya kira-kira anak-anak benar join atau tidak, atau cuman Zoom-nya saja di sini. Oke. Mengaktifkan video selama pembelajaran kecuali ada gangguan koneksi. Oke, kemudian yang kedua itu adalah bagi anak-anak yang ingin izin ke toilet atau minum, bisa melalui chat. Ya, izinnya bisa melalui chat. Misalkan nanti ada temennya yang lagi ngomong atau Miss-nya lagi menjelaskan ya, anak-anak bisa lewat chat saja. Ya, Miss, can I drink? Miss, can I go to the toilet? Ya. Nah, and also you can practice for your English ya by typing. Jadi bisa nanti pakai English izinnya ya. Oke, bisa anak-anak lihat di chat. Kemudian Miss Rus akan tambahkan lagi. Yang ketiga, anak-anak wajib mengikuti pembelajaran dengan tertib ya dan sopan. Oke, tertib dan sopan. Maksudnya di sini anak-anak tidak diizinkan untuk mencoret-coret screen, ya, misalkan Miss-nya lagi coret-coret screen, kecuali Miss-nya minta anak-anak, ayo coba bantu Miss jawab ini. Nah, misalkan sama-sama ya, saling memberi tanda. Nah, itu bisa ya. Oke, kecuali ada izin dari Miss-nya, anak-anak bisa ikut nanti. Misalkan Miss Rus aktifkan annotation-nya, ya nanti Miss Rus minta misalkan Dika tolong coret yang nomor ini atau jawab nomor ini misalkan, atau Kirana jawab nomor ini ya. Nah, nanti bisa pakai annotation ya. Oke, kemudian yang selanjutnya ya, anak-anak tidak wajib untuk membeli buku ya, tetapi anak-anak bisa meminjam dengan kakak kelas sebelumnya, atau jika anak-anak punya kakak kelas atau kenalan yang bisa dipinjam, atau nanti bisa di print juga buku yang ada di LMS. Jadi Miss Rus sudah cantumkan ya, bukunya warnanya biru ya. Kebetulan sekali nih biru warna favoritnya Miss Rus, bukunya biru juga. Oke. So I think that's all. Ya, jadi anak-anak setuju dengan point number 1, 2, and 3? Setuju ya?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So that is the rules for English class ya. I think it's still general ya. Jadi general bisa diterapkan juga ke pembelajaran yang lainnya. So you can also use it and remember it when you joining the other class. Yeah, so if you joining the other class, yeah, you still can apply this one. Yeah. So do you have any question for the rules? Ada pertanyaan untuk rules-nya?
No.
No. Okay. If no, yeah, that's good. That will be good. Yeah. So today is our first meeting. Yeah, there will be introduction. Yeah. How will be the class going on? Ya, jadi ini masih pertemuan pertama, jadi masih pengenalan ya kepada anak-anak ya. Kira-kira seperti apa ya kelasnya akan berlangsung. Okay. So the next. Ya, oke. If you already type the permission on the chat, ya misalkan sudah minta izin lewat chat, tapi Miss-nya belum balas, bisa dilakukan dulu ya. Misalkan kalau sudah tidak tahan ke toilet, you can go first, ya. Oke, and then let's see the books, ya, which we use. Nah, mungkin ada yang masih belum tahu bukunya. Nah, bukunya yang ini. There are two books ya, the course book and also the workbook. Jadi kita lihat satu-satu. This one is the course book. Okay. So this one is the course book ya. Nah, course book. Jadi course book itu apa, Miss? Course book has some main topic ya. Jadi dia ada topik-topik utama di sini di course book, and will be have more explanation, more examples ya. Jadi dia banyak materi yang dijelaskan di sana, contoh-contohnya apa saja, ya penjelasan banyak di sini, and also the exercises, ya. Dan the inside is colorful, jadi dalamnya itu sedikit lebih berwarna ya. You can see some colors here, blue and pink, yeah. And also I make like this the box, yeah, so it will be easier for you to see, yeah, which part that we will discuss. Yeah, this one is the course book. And then for the workbook, yeah, let's see. Now, this one is the workbook. Yeah, the workbook is here. The workbook is more about the exercises. Jadi tambahan-tambahan exercises. Yeah, more exercises for the topic. Yeah, and also here there will be no much color. Yeah, just one color, just look like this. And also I make this box, yeah, so you will know which part that we will discuss. Okay, this one is the workbook. So that is it, yeah. So don't be worried if you don't have the books, yeah. Because I will always provide it on the LMS, yeah. So you don't need to be worried. Okay, and then any one of you have played the quiz here? This quiz not yet. Okay, so today, yeah, because we learn about types of sentences, yeah. So here I would like to ask you, yeah. So we will not start the learning yet, yeah. So I would like to ask you to make some sentences, yeah. And I will show you some pictures, yeah. So you need to explain the picture. Okay, wait. I will find the picture first. Okay, do you know what is sentence in bahasa Indonesia? Artinya sentence dalam bahasa Indonesia, do you know what is that?
Kalimat. Kalimat.
Kalimat, that's good. Iya, kalimat, that's good ya, pintar sekali. Kalimat, oke ya, kalimat. Jadi kalimat itu apa, Miss? Kalimat is the group of words ya, jadi gabungan dari kata-kata. Ya, jadi anak-anak berbicara itu kan pasti menggunakan kalimat ya. That is kalimat. Jadi kalimat there are some kinds of kalimat or sentences. Ya, jadi ada kalimat biasa, kalimat tanya, kalimat seru ya, dan masih banyak lagi. Oke, in bahasa Indonesia you will also learn about kalimat ya. Jadi kalimat nanti anak-anak akan bisa pelajari lebih lanjut dalam bahasa Indonesia dan juga dalam pelajaran English. Okay, so I have found the pictures. So I will ask you to give sentences, yeah, after seeing the picture. Okay, can you see the picture now? Yes. Okay,
Yes.
so I will start from Ajung. Okay, Ajung. Please unmute yourself and the other please listen to Ajung. Ajung, ready?
Yep.
Okay, Ajung, please describe about the woman. This woman.
The woman is wearing shoes, brown hair,
Brown hair, good.
and black pants.
Okay, so is that finished, Ajung? Yes, okay. Thank you, Ajung. Give applause to Ajung. Yay. Next, I would like to ask Gongjiesta. Okay, Gongjiesta, you can unmute yourself and please describe the boys here or the man here. Maybe the color of the hair or the shirt or the t-shirt, I mean, or the bag.
Gray.
Okay, the t-shirt is gray. Good. And then?
Pants is blue.
Okay, this one, yeah. Okay, anyone knows what is celana panjang in English?
Trouser.
Trousers, yeah, good. The trousers is blue. And then? Anything else, Gunjesta?
Glasses.
Okay, so that's it.
Have a backpack.
Okay, have a backpack. Good.
Apa ya mama yang mudaan brown? Brown.
Okay, brown. Good.
Black eyes.
Black eyes, yeah.
Black shoes.
Black shoes. Okay. Thank you, Gongjesta. Give applause to Gongjesta. Yay. Okay. So next picture. I will prepare the next picture. Okay, ready for the next? I would like to ask yang belum. Okay, this is the picture. Yeah, so the next I would like to ask Gung Sasha. Gung Sasha, please unmute yourself. Okay, please describe this boy.
The boy has gray hair and it's wearing a shirt.
Okay. Is that anything? Is that all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Gong Sasha.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Next, I would like to ask Hyuga. Oke, Hyuga. Bisa dengar Miss Rus? Sepertinya koneksinya. Oke, Hyuga coba tell me about this girl. Tell me about this girl. Oke, maybe the connection ya. Oke, kita skip dulu Hyuga ya. Oke, I will find another picture for you. So, next, Pipit please. This girl.
The girl wears yellow shirt.
Mhm.
She has
Here.
red short hair.
Okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Pipit.
Welcome,
Okay.
yes.
So the last student for this picture is Galuh. Please unmute yourself and describe this girl.
Okay. The girl, the color of the hair of the girl, okay,
Mhm.
is a little bit blue and gray.
Yeah.
Her t-shirt, the color of her t-shirt is brown.
Okay, good. Thank you, Galuh. Okay, so for the next student, I will choose another picture, another photos. Okay, so the next, this photos, this boy. Yeah, I would like to ask Adit. Please, Adit, tell me about this boy.
He is wearing red shirt. He's wearing
Mm-hmm.
red shirt. He has a blue scarf, I think.
Yeah, scarf.
He has yellow trousers,
Mm-hmm.
brown shoes, and his
Okay.
hair is red.
Okay. Thank you, Adit. Next picture. I will choose it again. Next picture. Okay. So who will be the next? This picture. Okay. I think this one is easy to describe, yeah? Okay. I need Kirana, please describe this picture.
He
Okay, the color, you can describe the color and then the shape and also what does he bring?
the color is blue and white.
Mm-hmm.
The shape is his shape. His head shape is circle.
Okay. Circle. Yeah.
He is bringing the bread.
Okay, good. Is that anything? Is that
No.
all? Okay, thank you. So anyone knows what is the name of the bread? Dorayaki. Yes, dorayaki. Yeah, dorayaki is dorayaki in English. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Kirana. So I will find another photos, another picture. Yeah. Okay. Next picture. Where is it? Okay. Ah, do you see it now? Okay, do you see it now? Yes, okay. So next, I would like to ask Dayu Anika. Dayu Anika, can you unmute yourself and then describe this girl?
She is wearing red skirt
Mm-hmm.
and wearing a white t-shirt.
Okay.
She has a short hair.
Mm-hmm. Is that all?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Dayu Anika. Next, students, I would like to ask Gera. Gera, please unmute yourself and then describe this boy.
Wearing a yellow shirt,
Mm-hmm.
yellow pants,
Mm-hmm.
white socks,
Okay.
yellow shoes.
Okay.
He has black hair,
Okay.
and that's it. I don't know what
That's it. Okay. Thank you, Gera. Next, I would like to ask Jadin. Okay, Jadin, please unmute yourself and then describe this.
The color is yellow and white.
Mm-hmm.
It has blue color.
Okay, the color.
And that's it.
That's it. Okay, thank you. Next, I would like to ask Dika. Dika, please unmute yourself and describe this boy. Maybe the color of the t-shirt, the hair.
Yellow t-shirt.
Okay.
He has t-shirt
Mm-hmm.
and very fat.
Very fat. Okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Dika. Next, I would like to ask Madori. Madori, please unmute yourself. Okay. Madori, please describe this girl,
Mama,
the mother. The mother. The color of the hair.
the color of hair brown.
Mm-hmm.
The t-shirt pink.
Okay. Is that all?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Madori. Next, I would like to ask Ganesha. Hi, Ganesha. Unmute yourself, please. Okay, Ganesha, please describe this man, the father.
The
The color of the t-shirt.
is blue.
Okay, and then?
Shoes is black.
Mm-hmm.
The hair is black. Mhm.
Is what? Sorry?
Hair.
Fat.
Hair.
Okay, thank you, Ganesha. Next, okay, I would like to ask Quinsa. Quinsa, please unmute yourself and then describe this boy.
The hair is black.
Mm-hmm.
The t-shirt is yellow.
Good.
The
Celana pendek. The pants.
pants is blue.
Mm-hmm.
Sock is white. The shoes is blue.
Okay, good. Wow. Next, I would like to ask, let me check. Just Adit already Ajung. Okay, Gonginten, can you unmute yourself? Okay, Gonginten, tell me about this girl. The color of the dress is?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, good. The color of the shoes. What is this?
Red.
Red. And then the color of the hair?
Brown.
Brown. Okay, that's good, Gong Intan. Good job. Yay. Okay, next. Bunga. Bunga, please unmute yourself and then describe
Yes, miss.
this boy.
Um, the the hair is black.
Mm-hmm.
The t-shirt is blue.
Okay.
The pants is blue. The shoes is gray, and the
Okay.
socks is white.
Okay, that's good, Bunga. Yay. Okay.
Thank you.
So you're welcome. Okay, I will find another picture again for the dress. Oh, okay. I will find another picture. Where is it? Mm-mm-mm. Okay, so I have found it. Okay, next I would like to ask Pipit. Pipit sudah atau belum ya? Pipit already?
Sudah.
Sudah, okay. So next I would like to ask Siska. Okay, Siska, please unmute yourself. Okay, Siska, please describe this animal. Yang paling bawah. Hello, Siska. Okay, maybe the connection, yeah. Siska, you can type your answer in the chat room, yeah, because I cannot hear your voice. Next, I would like to ask Wahoga. Hi, Wahoga. Okay, Wahoga, please describe this animal in the middle.
Panda.
Panda, okay. The color of the panda. The color is gray and
Panda.
okay. Is that all?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Olga. Okay, next I would like to ask Kai. Hello, Kai.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Kai, please describe this animal. What does it look like? The color?
The animal color is brown.
Brown, okay. And then? Is that all? Yes, okay. Thank you. Okay, still some students left ya. Yang belum berarti Odi. Ada lagi yang belum Miss panggil? Oke, tinggal Odi ya. I think Odi only. Oke, Odi. I will find picture for Odi. Oke, Odi, please unmute yourself. Hello, Odi.
Odi nggak masuk, Miss.
Odi ada di sini. Or Hyuga. Oke, Hyuga saja. Hyuga? Oke, tell me about this girl.
This is black.
Oh, apanya black? Sorry.
Rambutnya.
The hair?
Hair black.
The hair is black, and then the color of the dress?
The dress is pink.
Okay, and then what does she do? Dia lagi ngapain? She eats.
She is.
She eats. Do you know what is this? What food is this? Do you know?
Sushi.
Sushi. Okay. Please repeat after me. She eats sushi. Coba diulang juga. She eats sushi.
She eats sushi.
Good. Okay. Ada lagi? Is that all? Ada lagi or that's all? Is she happy eating sushi? Look at the expression. Is she happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good job, Hyuga. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Siska already typed the sentence in the chat. Yeah. Let me read it. Siska said the color of the bear is white. Okay, that's good, Siska. Yeah, good. Okay, how about Odi? Hi, Odi. Odi, where are you? Can you unmute yourself? Okay. Odi, maybe if you have a connection trouble, yeah, you can chat me on the chat room so I know, yeah, what's going on now, what's wrong with you. Maybe the connection is not good, yeah, or anything else. Okay, so that is it, yeah. So you already practice making sentences, ya. Jadi anak-anak sudah membuat sentences, ya. And overall, all of the sentence is just a simple sentence. Yeah, I mean that the sentence is still general. Yeah, like the color is white. Yeah, so all of the sentence is ends with full stop. Jadi semuanya diakhiri tanda titik. Yeah, have you ever see or have you ever made some sentences that ends with question mark? Ada yang pernah pakai membuat kalimat dengan tanda tanya? Okay, Adit. Okay, what is that, Adit? Can you tell me one of the sentence that you use a question mark?
Wait.
For asking something. Maybe you asking something to your mother, to your father. What will be the question? Okay, Adit still thinking. Maybe asking something. Yeah. You can use the word where or what or who. Mm-hmm.
I asked this to my mother really. What's for dinner tonight?
Okay, what's for dinner tonight? Yes, that is also a sentence. Ya, itu juga kalimat and ends with question mark. Ya, in bahasa Indonesia you also learn about this one ya. Kalimat yang diakhiri tanda tanya namanya kalimat tanya. Okay, in English there also a sentence ya that ends with question mark. Like Adit's examples ya. What's the dinner for tonight? Ya, apa dinner hari ini. Okay, good. Maybe another student can give me another examples, yeah, by using where. So Adit already using what, yeah, what's the dinner tonight, and then where, di mana. Okay, I would like to ask Gera, can you make a sentence using where?
Sure.
Okay.
Or just wait. Oh, okay. Where are we going for lunch?
Okay, where are we going for lunch? Good. Okay, kemana kita akan pergi untuk lunch? Okay, thank you. Next, I would like to ask Gung Sasha. Okay, can you help me to make sentence by using when? Kapan? When?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When it's your birthday.
Okay, good. When is your birthday? Good. Thank you. Okay, I would like to ask one more students, yeah. Quinsa, okay. Quinsa, can you help me to make sentence by using who? Siapa? Who? Siapa? Oke, mungkin Quinsa mau tanya siapa dia atau siapa ibumu? Who is
Who is your sister?
Okay, good. Who is your sister? Good job. Okay, ya. Jadi so many examples again, ya. And then you can learn it next week, ya. So next week we will learn more about the types of sentences, ya. So this first meeting is only the introduction of the sentences, ya. Jadi hari ini cuman pengenalan dulu. And next week we will learn more about the types of sentences. Yeah, so you can read again, yeah, the notes in the LMS. Yeah, and then next week you will master the types of sentences. Ya, you will be the master of the types of sentences. Ya, jadi semua minggu depan akan menjadi master types of sentences. Ya. Okay, so nah, this one ya, you can read again the notes ya. Yeah, if you want to write the notes, it's okay. If you want to print it out, yeah, you can. Yeah. And then next week we will discuss also the exercises. Oh, still loading. Okay, so next week we will discuss the exercises on the course book and also workbook. Yeah, so I think not all of you prepared the books now. Yeah, so I still okay, still waiting. Okay, now this one, yeah, the course book. Yeah, we will discuss page 9 and 10 for next week's, and also the workbook will be page 8. Yeah, so the topic will be the same, yeah, for the next week. And then I will also explain you what is types of sentences. Yeah, so I will explain the 4 types of the sentences. Yeah, if you want to see the presentation, you can click here. Yeah, and then next week we will learn more about this one. Okay, so do you have any questions?
Miss,
Ya, Hyuga?
Miss, saya udah nulis tadi malam semuanya. Itu.
Wow, that's good, Hyuga. Good job. Ya, wah, Hyuga dia menulis ya. Jadi tangannya terbiasa menulis. Okay, so if you don't have the English book, it's okay. Yeah, you can print the book that I already attached over there. Ya, boleh di print or you can write it. Ya, yang mau menulis silahkan. Okay, so you can.
Ini dia.
Wow, wow, good job, Hyuga. Yeah, thank you.